Hey everyone, this is me Raj Pandey. Welcome to Satya classes. I am here with new chapter 13, surface area and volumes. So this chapter I will be teaching in a series of videos. So subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. So I will shift the camera to the next direction on my digital board.
I am starting with the first question, that is the two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter. So while reading the question I will be keep writing the given things in the solution part. So first thing is given to me is the volume is denoted by V and V equal to 64 centimeter cube. Okay, so this is the volume of a cube and a cube have edge length equals A. Okay, so right here A cube is equal to 64. I think you know this formula of the volume of cube. If you don't know, I'm telling the volume of cube is A cube. Okay, so as you solve this, the cube root of the 64, you will get 4 into 4 into 4 equal to 1 single 4 to the power 1 by 3, and so 3 cancels each other and you will get 4 centimeter. Okay, now you are required to calculate the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So look here, this is the cuboid and the length of the cuboid is getting double. Okay, but the height remains same, height equal to A, and thereafter what about the breadth? So breadth is also equal to A. Now I have calculated the A, so let's apply the formula for the surface area. Surface area of cuboid equal to twice of LB, BH and plus HL. Since you know L is the twice of A, so everywhere put 2A if there is a L, and single A plus B, A into A plus H into H means A into 2A. Okay, put all the A here. The value of A is 4. So look, I am putting 4, thereafter 4 into 4, thereafter 4 into 8. Then add them and you will get the answer. 2 times 4 for the 16, 16 into 2 32, plus 4 for the 16, plus 8 for the 32. So 32 plus 32 64, and 64 plus 16 you will get 80. So the answer is 160 centimeter square. Okay, if you are not understanding this how I'm doing, so pause the video and try to solve this question in your copy. So moving to next question. Next question is, a vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by hollow cylinder. So first of all we'll draw hollow hemisphere. Okay, this is hemisphere and this hemisphere has a cylinder mounting on it. So this is the cylinder. Now the diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. Since the both have the same diameter, so we can write it as 14 centimeter, and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. This is the total height, 13 centimeter. Okay, now what about the height of the cylinder? So height can be written as, look here, this is the radius, and since you know radius is the half of diameter, so it becomes 7 centimeter, and thereafter as you subtract the 7 centimeter from 13, you will get how much? 6. So 6 centimeter is the height of the cylinder. Now find the inner surface area of the vessel. So the inner surface area is what? The inner surface area means the CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. So right here solution, inner surface area equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. Okay, we are taking the curved surface areas because we do not have the full surfaces. CSA of cylinder is what? 2 pi r h. Okay, and CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. If you have trouble in how I am writing this formula, so have a look over here. Okay, suppose for a while this is a sphere and I am cutting the sphere in between. So the sphere having the surface area 4 pi r square, as you cut them you will get 2 pi r square. Okay, so by this way I have written here 2 pi r square. And what about 2 pi rh? So for 2 pi rh, just have a look over it. This is cylinder and the base is of 2 pi r. Base circumference is 2 pi r, and as you multiply this 2 pi r with h, you will get the surface area. Okay, understand? So take common from them. Taking common is a good habit, so let's take common and it is reduce your calculation. So 2 pi r is common, and what left? H plus r. Just put the value of r here. Since I have calculated r equal to 7 centimeter, so 2, the value of pi is 22 by 7, and the value of r is 7. The value of h is 6, you have taken here, so 6 plus 7. Good. 22 into 2 becomes 44, and 6 plus 7 equal to 13. So multiply 44 into 13, you will get 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 113, 4 4 2, 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 1 5. The answer is 572 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the. Now the next question is, we have a wooden article and this article is made by scooping out a hemisphere. Means you can see the figure here. Okay, this is the scooping part. Then by scooping, the question having two hemisphere, okay, at the end. So from each solid cylinder as shown in the figure, this is the figure 13.11, if the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter, okay, he's saying that this is cylinder and it is having the height 10 centimeter, and its base radius is also given to you, that is 3.5 centimeter. So find the total surface area of the article. So move to the solution part. He is again asking for the total surface area. Now we have how many surfaces? There are one surfaces of hemisphere and at one end, and the second surface is at the second end. So we have a complete sphere right now, okay, by combining the two hemispheres and one cylinder. Okay, so write the total surface area. Okay guys, please be aware of this. As you make this scoop, you will not get any kind of the upper surface. Okay, on scooping you are not going to get any kind of upper surfaces. Okay, make yourself clear. So let's write it as 2 into CSA of hemisphere, okay, then thereafter plus CSA of cylinder. Write the formula: 2 into 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r into h. These are the two formulas, and then 2 to the 4, as I said earlier, that it will become a sphere. So 4 pi r square is the surface area of a sphere. Nothing to worry about. Let's put the values here. But before putting the value, take common. So taking common is a good habit, as I said earlier. Let's take 2 pi r as common. So 2 pi r will be common here, and what left? We are left with 2r plus h. Okay, now 2 into 22 by 7. What about the radius? Radius given to it, it is 3.5, and 2 into 3.5 plus what about height of the cylinder is 10. Okay, let's divide it, and we are getting 0.5. Multiply them, 44 into 0.5, thereafter 7 plus 10. Now 45 into 0.5, it becomes 22. 22 into 17. So let's multiply. 7 2 ja 14, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 3, and again 4 4 plus 3 7 3. So 374. Don't forget to write the unit. This is the most crucial part. So centimeter square. This is the answer. Okay, so by now I think you are able to solve more question based on the surface area. So again, move to next question. The next question is about a medicine capsule. Okay, so this is a capsule, and it is the shape of a cylinder with the two hemispherical stuck to each ends. Have you ever seen the capsule? The capsule looks like this. Okay, I am making the secondary figure to make you understand about capsule. Okay, the capsule seems like this. So from here one can easily signify the ends, which are in the form of hemisphere. Okay, the length of the entire capsule is 14 mm. The entire capsule is of 14 mm, but look at the radius. Okay, so the diameter is 5 centimeter. What about radius? Radius will be 2.5 centimeter. Radius is 2.5 centimeter. So as you subtract the 2.5 centimeter from both the ends by the number 14, you will get 9 mm. 9 mm is the length of the cylinder. Okay, so again write solution here, and surface area equal to the area of sphere. As I told you, as you put two ends together or two hemisphere together, you will get a complete sphere. So area of sphere plus CSA means curved surface area of cylinder. Okay, somebody can say why CSA? Let me tell you. Okay, their end do not occupy any circle. Okay, so we'll write as CSA. Write the formula here. Area of sphere is 4 pi r square. You are aware of this formula, and plus CSA of cylinder I have written so many times. So it is 2 pi r, and in the place of h we are writing L right now. So nothing to worry, because the cylinder is in lay down position. So I will be take L here. Now 2 pi r can be taken common from here. So 2 pi r is common, and what left? We are left with 2r plus L. So again 2 into 22 by 7. What about the radius? Radius is given to you 2.5. It is 2.5. Radius is 2.5, and 2r, 2 into 2.5 plus what about length? Length is given to you. Length is 9. Okay, So let's solve this. 22 into 2, 44. 44 by 7 multiplied by 2.5. 2.5 into 2 gives you 5. It becomes 5. And 5 plus 9 is 14. So 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. Are you doing it in a copy? Keep doing along with me. Then it becomes 44 into 5. So let's multiply it. 5 4 is 20. 5 4 is 20 plus 2, 22. So 222 mm square is the surface area. Are you getting?